Hi guys, this is ninth standard mathematics. Okay, chapter one, set language. Okay, this is part three, maybe the final part, perhaps the final part. This is where we stopped in the last class. Let's see. If n of a equal 25, n of b equal to 40, n of a union equal to 50, and n of b dash equal to 25, find n of a intersection b, n of u. So n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B plus minus n of A intersection B, right? So n of A intersection B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So 65 minus 50, that is 15, right? Right. And n of U is universal set, right? Okay. How to find universal set? Uh, n of B dash is given, that is 25. Okay. Right. So for this you have to draw the Venn diagram. If you don't draw the Venn diagram, it's quite difficult to figure it out. Okay, let's go to another sheet and draw the Venn diagram. Okay, fine. Just to find n of u. Okay, this is where we got empty sheet. Right. Uh, what we want? We want a rectangle, no. Polygon, no. Oval. Right. This is like a circle. You can make it like a circle, no problem. Okay, we will make it somewhat less. Right. Okay, then perhaps this is n of b. This is a, this is b. Mm, one more is given, right? B dash. B dash means all the elements which are not there in b. Oh, that's fair enough. Let's not need that is need not to be drawn. That is not necessary to be drawn. Mm, the rectangle usually we draw, right? Okay, let's change the color. Okay, right. So this is let's name also. Let's name it. Otherwise, otherwise uh, will be in a confusing state. That's why I'm naming it A and B. Now this is fine, fine. But then what is U? The whole set is U, right? Yeah, the whole set is U. Now what is given? B dash is given. Okay. Yet we don't know what is B dash. Okay. Uh, let's get the data. N of A, N of B, N of A union B. 25, 40, 50. 25, 40, 50. I want to write it N of A as N sorry, N underscore A. Okay. 25, N underscore B. That is N of B. Okay. 40. Right. It saves my time. That is the reason why I'm doing it like this. A union B. Okay. A union B is how much? Right. How much? That is 50. This is 40. Okay. No problem. So 50 here, 40 here. So n of b dash is how much? 25. Okay. N of b dash also 25. Mm. B dash. I'm writing it as like this. Okay, that is b dash 25. Yes, 25. Find n of u. Now you need to find n of u. For n of a intersection b, this is not needed. This figure is quite not needed. Okay. N of a is 25, n of b is 40, a union b is 50. This is 25, this is 40. So intersection b is just now we, yeah, right, union b 50, 25 plus 40. Okay, let's put the numbers, that is going to be easy. What is intersection b? 50, sorry, 65 minus 50. How much? 15. Right. So this is 15. Size is quite. Okay, that is 15. Okay. Then n of a is 25. 25 minus 15. How much? 10. Yes. Remaining thing you have to write, right? What about B part? 40 minus 15. 25 perhaps. Right. Hmm. Up to here it is clear. Everything is fine. If you add them up, you should get 50. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay, there is no problem then. No, n of b dash is 25. Mhm. So there is a set b dash. N of b dash means whichever is not part of b. That means it includes also this 10. So 25 minus 10 is how much? 25 minus 10 is 15. Now you can figure out what is n of u. Okay. How much it will be? N of u will be. See, the problem is not complicated. Only thing is you need to visualize things, right? For that Venn diagram is much helpful. What you want? N of u. N of u. Or I am writing as underscore, right? No problem. Anyway, is fine. Okay, let's increase the font size. We are out of the Venn diagram now. Okay. Now add all the numbers which are there in the picture. 10, 15 plus 25. That is 50. That is n of a union b, right? 50 plus 15. The outside thing is 15. How much it will be? 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 25, 65. So n of u is 65. So we can now write those answers, 65 there and 15 here. Okay, fine. The first problem. So maybe I am not going to solve all the problems, but this is 15. But you need to get some idea. That is the reason why I am doing this. I did this problem. 65. Right. 65 is the answer for n of u. Okay, right. Let's see the problem. N of a union b is this, a intersection b is this, n of a b dash is 350. Find n of b and n of u. Right, every time you need to do the things in the Venn diagram only, right? So that is the reason it's, it's difficult to see the smaller numbers. Let's make them larger. Problem completed, right? The last problem anyway completed. Okay, wait, where is this? Yeah, this one is working. Oh, inside it won't work. Fine. Let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, way to okay, A is this, B is this, intersection B you want. Okay, let's go here. Okay, A is this, B is this. Now this has to fit in the triangle, right? So this is U. Fine. Okay, now see the problem here. N of A is 300. N of A and B is 500. N of A is 300. N of A is here, right? 300. Okay, let me write it as N of A only. Why to confuse you? N of A, right? N of B. N of A and B is 500. Okay. Okay. I changed everything here. This is 500. Uh, Intersection B is 50. B dash is 350. B dash is 350. This is 350. So intersection is 50. So there you can directly write the number, right? 50. So we don't require these numbers anymore. Okay, that is 50. What else I'm talking about? What you need to find? N of B? B is given. What you need to find? N of B. Oh, N of B is not given. N of A is 300. A union B is 500. A intersection B is 50. B dash is 350. So N of B you need to find. N of B, and what else you need to find? N of U also. Okay. N of U also you need to find. Fine. Let's first find N of B. What is N of B? N of A intersection B formula. From the A intersection B formula you can find N of B, right? A intersection B is given, A union B is given. Okay, so N of B equal to um, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is your N of A union B, right? So write N of A union B minus plus N of A intersection B. Intersection, no, intersection B, intersection symbol I am not getting here. Right. I'm using dollar symbol for intersection. Okay, that could be easier for me. Minus N of B, right? Sorry, A. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is N of A union B. So the formula is correct. A union B is 500 plus A intersection B also how much? A intersection B is 50. What else N of A also 300. So 500 minus 300 is 200 plus 50 is 250. So N of B is found, right? So we will write the number directly. 300 here. Okay. What else you want? 250 also you want, right? N of A 300. Oh, N of A is 300 means 300 minus 50 is this. That is 250. Right. Now you got the logic. 250 minus 50 is 200. So this is 200. Okay, when we add, we must get 500. 300 plus 200. Yeah, that this is correct. N of A and B must be 500. What else is given? These. Okay. What else is given? N of B dash is given. What is N of B dash? 350. Whatever is not B, that is all B dash, right? So 350 minus N of A is the remaining portion, except A and B. So 350 minus 250 is 100, right? Right. So I'm directly writing the 100 here. Okay. Okay. If I need to formulate what I have to write here in N of U formula, I have to write N of A union B plus N of A. N of A. Is that correct? No, N of B dash. Confusing myself. No, there is, this is N of B dash, right? So N of A union B plus N of B dash is anyway given, right? B dash, N of B dash minus N of A. That is what if you want to write it in a form, if you want to formulate it, that is how you have to write. Okay, you can anyway get the answer easily. 500 is A union B. B dash is 250. 350. 350 minus N of A is N of A 300. So 500 minus 300 is 200. 200 plus 350 is 550. That is N of U. Oh, somewhere I made a mistake. I know that this plus this must give me N of U. So this is 500 plus this is 100. So that is 600 naturally. So this must be equal to 600. So where I went wrong? 350. Oh, here I went wrong. N of A is 300. No, this is not N of A. N of A minus N of A intersection. Oh, sorry. That's my fault. That just overlook error. N of A intersection B. Now the formula is quite correct. Okay. So N of A minus N of A intersection B, 300 minus 50 is how much? 250. 250. So this comes out to be 650. Okay. Sorry. This is a calculation mistake. 600. 350 minus 250, 100. 500 plus 100, 600. Okay. So this is the answer. These are the answers. Fine. Okay. So the problem is going to be simple. Once you draw the Venn diagram, you can easily figure it out. Okay, how to solve the problem. Fair enough. Second problem we can go. If n of a equal to, sorry, if u equal to x, x belongs to n, x less than or equal to 10, a is this, b is this, and verify that n of a union equal to n of a plus n of a minus n of a intersection b. That you can easily do, I guess. Yes. Okay. Verify this. A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus this plus this for the following sets. This also you can easily do. These kind of set problems you can easily do. Right. In a class, all students take part in either music or drama or both. 25 students take part in music, 30 students take part in drama, and 8 students take part in both music and drama. Okay, this is a quite interesting problem. Music, drama, or both. Okay, 25 in the music. This is music now. Music 25. Okay, now this is drama. Okay, So n of a is 25, right? Right. uh, 30 students take part in drama. 8 students take part in both music and drama. 30 students take part in drama, so n of b is 30. N of a intersection b is given, right? Okay, this we can change to a intersection b. How much? How many members? N of a intersection b is 8. 8 students. Fair enough. Okay, no problem. Now you can find n of a and b, right? That is what is being asked, the number of students who take part in only music. Okay, that also we will do, no problem. That is nothing but this is n of m, this is n of d, m union d mud, right? Fair enough. This is not being asked. What has been asked? Okay, let's put the numbers here on the in the Venn diagram as well. Music is 25 members. Intersection is 8. First, you need to write the intersection part, 8. Now you need to reduce the intersection from n of m. 25 minus 8 is this part, right? What is 25 minus 8? 17. So this is 17. Okay, here you have to write, what you have to write? 30 minus 8. 30 minus 8 is 22. Okay, so this figure is this figure you don't know, so you need to write here, write it here. Now what you want only music is 17, right? From the Venn diagram you can easily say. Okay, if they accept, if they don't accept the Venn diagram, then you have to work it out. How to work it out? N of a minus n of a intersection b, that is the formula. Okay, the number of students who take part in only drama is 22. Okay, that is n of b minus n of a intersection b. The total number of students in the class, total number is unions, set is union, right? Okay, 17 plus 8, 22 plus 8 is 30, 30 plus 17 is 47. So the total number is 47. Okay, the formula you already know. Okay, you want me to write the numbers there, 17, 22, 47. Okay, no problem. 17, 22. For doing this problem, you don't really require Venn diagram. Since we already have Venn diagram, we made use of it. Okay, uh, right, 17, 22, right. This plus this, which plus which, 17 plus 22 plus 8 means 30 plus 17, 47. This way also you can look at the total number of students in the class, that is m union d. This is also you can find number of students who take part only in music, only drama, adding these two plus intersection b, n of n of m intersection d, that is 8. So add these up, 30 plus 17, 47. That is, that way also you can find m union d. Okay, right? Add these this stuff, this thing, you'll get the answer, right? This way also no problem. 30 minus 8 is 22. 22 plus 25 is 47. Okay, yeah, that is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. That way also you will get the answer. Now we will move on to next problem. In a party of 45 people, each one likes tea or coffee or both. 35 people like tea and 20 people like coffee. Find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Both tea and coffee means union problem. If this is union problem, 45 people out of party of 45 people, each one likes tea or coffee or both. Okay, 35 people like tea and 20 people like coffee. So this is total altogether 55. 55 minus 45 is how much? 55 minus 45 is 10. That is intersection. That means both like both tea and coffee. So that is 10. Okay, you don't really require Venn diagram, but whenever you get a doubt, you can always make use of Venn diagram to solve this kind of problem. Do not like tea. Who do not like tea means who drink only coffee, right? Yes, who do not like tea means who drinks only coffee. Who drinks only coffee? Um Intersection part you already know. Mm, 20 people like coffee. Okay, out of 20, 10 people also drink tea, right? So 20 minus 10 is 10. So that is who do not like tea. 10 do not like coffee. That means who drinks only tea. Only tea means 35 people like tea, 10 people drink both. So 35 minus 10 is nothing but 25. So this answer is 25. Okay, we can find the same answers using Venn diagram as well. Okay, that is up to you which one you want to use. Okay, no problem. In an examination, here you need to formulate it. You just write the numbers, it won't work, right? If it is 1 mark question, yes, you can directly write this number. Okay, if it is given for 5 marks or 10 marks, you must do in a systematic way, either Venn diagram or writing n of a, n of b. The workout also you have to write. In an examination, 50% of students passed in mathematics, 70% of students in science, while 10% students failed in both subjects. 300 students passed in both the subjects. Okay. Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination if they took examination in only two subjects. Okay, in examination, 50% of students passed in mathematics. 70% students passed in the science, right? While 10% students failed in both subjects. Okay, no problem. 300. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.